So I've found a way really of mounting this steering column assembly and incorporating the cover or the holder for the little potentiometer on the top. So I've printed this out, and this is designed to sit on these two lugs on the top, and then this is a little shim washer, so that will go on or slip on underneath there like that, and that is just enough to stop the screws pushing down on this. So it's kind of just like a shim, and then that will sit in there, 2 screws down through and 2 screws down underneath. That will hold that in position, and then this is designed to slide in there, so that will support the front with a single screw countersunk hole in the back. So I can fit this bracket first onto the body, get that secure, and then think about tying in the cables, and because I've got to route the cables in from the front as well. So I've got the bracket installed, so it's incorporating the pot that's sat on top of the steering head. So 2 screws hold that down, and it's sat on the top lugs there as well, both sides, and 2 screws down under there, 2 little 1.6 by 5 Phillips head screws hold it in at the back. So we've got that frame all attached, and that'll be ready then to install the steering column. So the steering column will slide into the bracket at the front, holds the front down with a screw fixing at the back. But before I actually do that, I just want to have a look at the wiring, the wire route from the front end. So that will be the entry point for the cables, and somehow it's got to get up between the belt and up and around to plug into here. So that's its end point. So I've got to try and work a route out where it's out of the way of the drive belt assembly, and that's it with the column installed. So it's you know, coming together quite well now. It's just about ready for the front half to be joined on, but I'm gonna finish the rest of this back half first, because I can still actually connect those two together.